This marvelous duet is just filled with energy. There's so much of it that just keeps going, and sometimes I had a little trouble keeping up with this kind of flow of energy. It resonates from the first note until the very last note. On both instruments, the parts are equally interesting, and difficulty level is about the same, and really just a pretty great little duet to try with a friend, or maybe with just my MP3s that I am including on Patreon only. So if you are guys enjoying my videos, I hope to see you in the next one, the last one in the book, and that'll be it. Thank you very much for following me along. I appreciate it.